Playing with numbers, fractions and decimals in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another fun-filled lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the world of numbers and explore how to perform operations with fractions and decimals in English. We'll help you to understand and use mathematical symbols in context, enriching your English language skills even further. Let's start with fractions. A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. It consists of two parts, a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. In English, we say fractions like 1/2 for 1/2, or 3/4 for 3/4. Now, when performing operations with fractions, we use the words plus, minus, times, and divided by to represent addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division respectively. For example, 3/4 plus 1/4 equals 1, or 1/2 divided by 2 equals 1/4. Now, let's switch gears to decimals. A decimal is a way of writing fractions and whole numbers together. Just like fractions, we have specific ways to express decimals in English. For example, 0.5 is said as 0.5, or 0.5, and 2.75 as 2.75. When performing operations with decimals, we use the same terms as with fractions: plus, minus, times, and divided by. For example, 2.5 times 4 equals 10, or 0.5 minus 0.2 equals 0.3. At times, we may need to perform operations using both fractions and decimals. Don't worry, the rules remain the same. You just need to convert the fractions into decimals or vice versa, then proceed with the operation. For example, if you need to add 1/2, or 1/2, to 0.25, or 0.25, you convert 1/2 to 0.5. The operation then becomes 0.5 plus 0.25 equals 0.75. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on performing operations with fractions and decimals in English. Remember, practicing these in real-life situations can be fun and incredibly helpful. Use your new language skills when shopping, cooking, or measuring things. Practice makes perfect. See you in our next lesson.